Anodized aluminium will bring your surfaces to life, exhibiting subtle changes in color and shade with changing lighting conditions. A brilliant range of colors allows the surface to make expressive statements or match in with surrounding materials. Anodizing is an electrochemical process that thickens and toughens the naturally occurring protective oxide. The resulting finish is extremely hard, making it highly resistant to corrosion and ideal for high traffic areas. Before the anodizing begins, proper surface preparation is carried out through processes known as polishing, etching, and brightening. Polishing removes any minor scuffing or dye lines from the surface by mechanically polishing the surface with calico mops. Etching takes away many of the surface imperfections by removing the top layer from the metal with hot solutions of sodium hydroxide, creating a matte appearance. Brightening combined with polishing produces a near mirror finish, bringing out the subtle and naturally occurring differences in reflectivity that give each surface its individual character. Coloring. The anodic coating can then be colored either by absorption of dyes or by spectral coloring process. Spectral coloring works in the same way that a prism segments a beam of light into a series of colors. The surface of the aluminium is manipulated to produce the desired color by infusing metal into the coating via electroplating it into the millions of tiny pores of the aluminium oxide. Once the coloring has been applied, the surface is sealed. This process seals the porous nature of the coating, making it resistant to scratching, abrasion, crazing, and color degradation.